Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to make some last minute gift ideas. Now these can be used for Valentine or any other occasion. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using these Dollar Tree craft wood pieces. Now I will be using 4. I'm going to start by removing the label, and then I'm going to glue these together side by side. I did use a combination of wood glue and hot glue. You can paint this whatever color you like. I am going to use the Waverly Antique Wax. For the next step, I will be adding this image, which I use my Cricuts to cut out this stencil. Now, honestly, for this step, you can use stickers, stencils, or just your own handwriting. I did add this quote because I gifted this to a friend, so you can add any quote that you like so you can make it special. I will be painting this using some of these sponge brushes that I got from the Dollar Tree and some white paint. Now I did give this 3 coats because the paint I'm using is acrylic paint and it's very sheer, and I wanted this to be very white. I did use one of my old hair dryers to speed up the drying process. I then went ahead and removed the stencil, and look how beautiful this turned out. This was actually very satisfying removing this. The next thing I will be using is some of these clothespins. Now these you can find them at Dollar Tree. I am also using some jute twine. And for the jute twine, you can glue it, but instead I decided to use my stapler to staple this, just because I want this to look like if you bought it at the store. This is actually a gift that I'm gifted already actually to one of my co-workers. Well, my ex-co-worker, she did leave, and I'm going to miss her very much, but this is what I gave her so she can remember me. I am also using a sawtooth hook that I will be adding to the back. Now I decided to only use one. And that is it. The last thing I did was added the pins, and I did add 5 in total. I also already gifted this, and when I did, I took my Polaroid with me so we can take some pictures, and she added them to this, and she also sent me the picture, and it turned out so beautiful. For my next project, I did use items from Walmart. I got this Highland Cow and mug, but Dollar Tree does carry similar things that you can use. Now, I did make a bow and try to add it to the little Highland Cow to make it into a female, but I don't know, after even like trying it on, I felt like it still looked like a male, so I just left it like that. So this is another gift I gifted my coworker or ex-coworker, and I decided to add her name and a heart to the mug. And to do that, I did use my Cricut. I am using permanent vinyl, but before this I did try to use the holographic infusible ink or something, the infusible ink, and for some reason it didn't work. I'm not sure if I did something wrong, but I did not work. By the way, this is not sponsored by Cricut. And this is how it looks. Now I decided to add the little cow, and to decorate this some more, I will be adding a bow to the handle part of the mug using this ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out, and she absolutely loved it. My next project, I am doing this gift for my another of my coworkers. She is turning 24, and I decided to make her a shot glass with the number 24 and her name in the middle. Once again, I did use my Cricut. I do want to remind you again, this is not sponsored by Cricut, but I do have the machine. I have a whole bunch of vinyl, which I need to start using it because I feel like that's what happened to my mug when I tried to use infusible ink. I've had it for several years already, and I think that's why it did not work. I'm not sure. I'm just saying. That's what I think. I don't know. But anyways, I just added the 24 and her name, and that is it. To finish it off, I added the name in the middle. Look how beautiful it turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. These gifts are perfect for Valentine, birthday, or any other occasion. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.